Cooking with friends is an amazing way to bond and create memories that will last a lifetime. It's a great way to bond with someone, and it's also a lot of fun. When you cook with friends, you can learn new recipes, swap stories, and just have a good time. Plus, you get to eat the food that you cook, which is always a bonus. If you're looking for a way to connect with your friends, cooking together is definitely the way to go. Rivers are a great source of recreation. They provide us with vital resources like water and power, and they offer stunning landscapes and opportunities for recreation and inspiration. Rivers are also incredibly important for the environment, helping to regulate water levels and support a wide variety of plant and animal life. Carnations have been around for centuries and are still one of the most popular flowers today. They are known for their long-lasting blooms and their ability to inspire and bring happiness to those who see them. Carnations come in a variety of colors, making them a perfect choice for any occasion.